Hey, thank you for your time in advance. I
No
just
problem.
would like to share with you. Congratulations to you on being the winner of our 618 lucky draw.
Okay. Oh,
And you won a third prize. So after
okay.
our conversation, and I will send you the
Hmm.
prize list, and then you can choose anyone.
Okay.
Yeah, and no matter which one you choose, you don't need to pay for the fee, and we will deliver it to your home free of charge.
Okay. Nice.
Before, yeah, thank you. And before you choose the price, and can I ask you some Chinese questions? Just a little interview.
Sure. Sure.
Okay.
Yes.
So first, could you please share with us why you want to learn Chinese?
Oh, because I'm looking for a job.
Okay, no problem. And have you learned Chinese before you took the trial lesson with e-Chinese learning? If so, how did you learn
Uh,
it?
just online videos just by myself.
Okay, okay. And how did your free trial lesson go with e-Chinese learning?
I was all right. It was nice. The teacher was nice.
Okay. For other students, do you have any suggestions and advice for learning Chinese?
Um, you need to focus and need to be consistent. Yeah, but I think with persistence you can achieve it. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Thank you again, and congratulations again.